Ladies and gents, this is the AMC wake-up call. You need to wake up because this is what analysts, data scientists, people on YouTube, DD writers, apes of all ages are looking at. This little tail that has peaked up, this breakout from the downtrend from January, right? We are riding this wave, and too many people are wondering why 1450, right? Why 1450? If you guys saw the video from last Friday, we had talked about the 61.8% retracement, right? The fact that we have been able to break out of this downtrend is just one piece of it. The next piece is that we need to move past a place, a magical place with no resistance and no supports. In the easiest language possible, resistance and supports are just little roadblocks where the sellers and buyers of a market need to consolidate their thinking, agree on a price. And each of these are documented in these teal lines that I have between this retracement here. However, each line of the retracement also gives you a little insight into the emptiness of space between the 61.8% and 78.6%, and between that and 100%, there is nothing. The emptiness of space. The only time the price action even got close was when AMC was hugging the 78.6% retracement here in the January squeeze, which means we are looking at this data as manipulated from the Robinhood preventing people from buying, as well as retail investors, non-stop retail investors coming in for this the shortest gap up in terms of time period in history. But this time around, we are seeing the price slowly but surely raise up because of the economy coming back around, strong at the market offerings where the company gets a ton of cash. We are seeing the retail investors who might not have ever invested in anything before come in and be well educated because of the AMC and GME stories, and this gives us more time to breathe. This is why the next squeeze is going to be so much stronger, and why we need to push past 1458. Right here at this number that I've circled is the 61.8% retracement. It also will provide us ample bullishness to push past this this level all the way up to 78.6%, where we're likely going to see some major resistance as well. All that said, it is empty space. It is the void of a place where we are going to be able to have major rips non-stop. And how far we go? Well, that's kind of like making a first impression, right? It's like AMC, good to meet you, never met you before. I would like to show you just how far I can rip, because the price action as of this wedge that we have formed since the last 4 months or so has not been reached before. So there you go. We have another article giving us that you've seen the crayon drawings, you've given them a try. How about we take a look at will AMC stock rebound? This is from investors.com. Without a doubt, investors long in AMC are betting on a turnaround in fortunes. In 2020, AMC lost $16.15 a share. Over the past 5 quarters, the company's sales have shrunk 22%, as much as 99% versus year-ago levels. Such results would normally devastate most companies. And I like where that sentence is going. Normally. But AMC is far from normal. As movie theaters open across the country and boost seating capacity, Wall Street is banking on a tremendous rebound in the top line. Analysts polled by FactSet offer a consensus estimate of $378 million in second quarter sales, up 1,900% from a minuscule $18.9 million in the year-ago quarter. They see sales rising in an additional 562% to Q3 to $791 million and 574% in Q4 to $1 billion. Wall Street expects net losses of $3.40 a share for 2021, a far outcry from the unadjusted $39 and change it lost last year. And the street sees net losses shrinking further in 2022 to $1 a share. So with big sales expected to arrive, you expect cash flows to greatly improve, and the company still dishes out dividends 3 cents a share per quarter. So AMC stock holds an annualized yield of 0.9%. All that to say, it's fun how people are still trying to use fundamental analysis for the AMC. Very unfundamental, very much pattern driven. Even technical analysis is too difficult to explain based on the manipulation tactics that we have, 1, uncovered, true, but 2, haven't been able to empirically figure out how to like factor that in to existing technical analysis. So while when choosing growth stocks for your biggest potential gains, your chances of finding a true market leader improve when you focus on the composite rating of 90 or higher. Just a little bit more razzle dazzle here about how to find a strong rating. 98 relative rating scale on a scale to 1 to 99 means the company has outperformed 98% on the IBD database. So at this point, AMC has created a boxy cup-like base over the past 8 weeks. That's plenty of time for a solid cup pattern to form. This pattern produces a proper buy point of 10 cents above the cup's left side peak. So in AMC stock's case, the correct entry stands at 1464. You want to see heavy volume on the breakout. So one of the reasons why we had to make sure that you guys cover this article is that it is telling. This is investors.com, right? This is just the mainstream of the most mainstream. It's telling people that once 1464 comes to play, that is becoming a brand new buy for a lot of investors just jumping on into the market. So that gives us hope that we can believe in. Not only is that 1458 just 10 cents away from this 1464 number that investors is sending out. This, I've been aggregating different articles of people, trying to explain the ape language down to the common investor. Entry points for people wanting to jump on. And from there, buying pressure like you haven't seen before. So people like me are eyeing this 1458. People like mom and pop, the AMC non-ape family members are looking at the 1464 point here. So if you guys are paying attention not only to the data that we provide as YouTubers, but also the mainstream, so that you can either filter out the FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and only arrive at the main meat of what you need to understand before S hits the F. Before poop hits the fan, this is where you will find it. Thank you guys in advance for those of you who have already supported the show on its way up to 82,000 subscribers. That's what we're hoping to do for this week. And if you guys can jump along and press that join button, you will be once again shown off here in the end result. Moon, Platoon, Gorillionaire, and Meatball the Space Legend tiers. Look how close he looks like Meatball. I just add the glasses here. That's basically the same. So once again, thank you guys for joining. We'll see you in a future video. And for now, but not for forever, have a nice day. Peace. Okay.